From the city of Denton, this is a DTV Newsbreak.
I'm Natalie Rowe for the City of Denton with this DTV Newsbreak. There's still a number of public meetings scheduled as part of the Denton Development Code update. The update affects what can be built in the city and where it can go. Visit DentonCode2030.com for a list of meetings you can attend to make your voice heard. Road construction, utility upgrades, and other capital improvements are constantly happening all across the city. ImprovingDenton.com is a great resource to stay up to date on the latest construction reports and how they affect you. There's a Neighborhood Empowerment Grant Workshop scheduled for Thursday, May 17th at the Denton Civic Center. It runs from 6 until 8 in the evening. Learn how to apply for grants that will strengthen and support your neighborhood. Email Ron Mangita in the Development Services Department to RSVP. That does it for this edition of DTV Newsbreak. For the City of Denton, I'm Natalie Rowe. Thanks for watching.